I'm Dr. VVS Chandrasekharam. I'm a Chief Pediatric Surgeon at Ankura Hospitals for Women and Children, Hyderabad. In this episode, we will discuss about obesity and the causes of obesity basically. Now, obesity is basically overweight for the particular height of the particular person. It is calculated based on body mass index. Obesity mostly signifies that the person has accumulated more fat in the body. That is what causes obesity. Now, the causes of obesity are multiple. So, the most important causes in today's world are basically a sedentary lifestyle and high calorie, irregular diet intake. So, two things can cause obesity. So, basically, obesity means you have a lot of calories in your body which you are not utilizing, which are being converted into fat by the body and they're accumulating in the body tissues. So basically, this is caused if you do not take a balanced diet with good proteins, and if you consume more fats, more carbohydrates, especially more sugars, then all those calories produced by the diet will be accumulated in the form of fat. The second reason is you are not burning the calories that you are consuming. So if somebody is consuming a reasonably enough number of calories, adequate calories, but the person is leading a sedentary lifestyle. Most of the work today is either sitting at the desk, and most people do not either walk or run or use the bicycle or use the stairs. So we are accustomed to traveling by elevators, we are accustomed to traveling by cars, by trains, so basically by buses. So what happens is this sedentary lifestyle is what actually contributes significantly to obesity. So the two most common causes in today's diet, most people who go to office, who are very busy in their work, they do not have time to eat a proper meal at a proper time. So the meals are usually eaten at different times of the day, and it's irregular. The diet pattern is irregular, and most of the time we consume some quick bites of some high calorie diet, mostly consisting of a lot of fat, and then these aerated drinks like the various cold drinks which contain a lot of sugar. So these are the ones that primary cause for obesity. So this is not only important in adults but also in children. In children, if you see today, children go to school very early in the morning, spend most of the time in school studying, and there is no proper playground in many of the schools, and games are not a very important part of the curriculum in most of the schools. Most parents and most schools are interested in their children getting good marks and ranks, but games are a very essential, outdoor games especially are a very essential part of exercise, outdoor games, very essential part of a child's curriculum, which is actually lacking. So most of us stay in apartments where there is hardly any ground to play, and even most of the schools do not have much grounds to play. Even if they have an open ground to play for the children to play, children have so much of academic work that they do not have time to go to the ground and play. And so children are also developing obesity mainly because of the diet, as well as more time being dedicated to studies. And the third most important reason in children is children are getting addicted to most of the computer games and the software. So they are mostly playing games, not outdoor games, but they are mostly playing games. Even cricket and football, most children are now playing on the computer or the cell phone or the iPads. So they're just sitting at one place and playing these games. They are not only straining their eyes by looking at the screen, this also causes sleep disturbances. So when somebody has a sleep disturbance, that also contributes to obesity. So looking at the TV screen or the computer screen or the cell phone screen for a long time, it also disturbs the sleep. So basically, more and more children are becoming obese. Up to 10 to 20% of adolescents in Asia, in India, are falling under the category of obesity. So which basically means that the indulgence in academic activities, very less indulgence in outdoor games and sports, and irregular and high calorie diet intake, along with an addiction to the gadgets, the smartphones and TVs and so iPads. This is what actually is contributing to a very, very increased prevalence of childhood obesity.